Welcome back. In this final video of our series, we'll show you how to get the user's consumption information using Utility API. Enter the customer's email ID and click on Access. A mail request would have been sent to the user with a link from Utility API to provide access. I am going to quickly show what the customer needs to do to provide you access with his information. This is the mail he will get with the link with information on what he needs to do. On clicking on View Form, he will be redirected to the Utility API dashboard, where the user is expected to choose his utility and login. Here, the user can input his email to get the receipt of authorization once he shares his details. Below, the user has to select his utility provider from the list. For example, let's take the utility provider as Baltimore Gas and Electric. Now the user has to enter his email and password login credentials of his utility provider's website. Provide the full name as digital signature and authorize access and data sharing. For the purpose of this demo, I am choosing Demo Utility to show what the next steps are. Once the user authorizes, he will be taken to this screen, where will be shown the permissions he is giving Arka360. The first access is of the user's account details, energy usage and bills. By clicking on Edit, they can choose which of the information they want to share with Arka360 among the three. On clicking on it, they can further see the detailed list of information that will be shared. Similarly for energy usage and similarly for utility bills. The second access is of the historical and ongoing data. The user can choose the time span of the data that they want to share individually for historical and ongoing from the drop-down. For example, I will select last month for this case. The third and final access is of your services. The customer can choose which of the services data they want to share, for example, electric, gas, and water. Once he selects all three, they can authorize. For services, just to show, let me select all the services, though we need only electricity. Once the authorization is processed, a receipt is generated for the user, and you have access to the customer's consumption information. Come back into the Arka360 portal and click on Access. If the authorization is pending, the system will show you the following error. Give it a minute and try again. This is the list of all the services the user has given access to. Select the electricity service you want to visualize the consumption graph for and click on Generate. Based on the data in the file, you have the daily and monthly profile generated for the project. Thanks for watching.